engaging, connected. Three words that your audience will surely describe you once you learn this lesson before writing your speech. Good day, grade 11 learners of SDO1 Pangasinan. Teacher EmmAnne here, and join me for another lesson in oral communication in context. As you age, it is inevitable that you will be required to deliver a speech in front of the public, such as giving a message to your classmate's 18th birthday, individual reporting in class, or business proposal presentation. So buckle up as you're about to prepare yourselves to become powerful speakers who can be of influence and inspiration by learning the first step of speech writing. Before we begin, I want you to quickly answer the questions that pop up on your screen. Awesome! The correct answer is true. Let's try another one. Great job! It's another true. Based from your answers, you will notice that writing a speech script is not just about what you know, but importantly, it is to consider your audience, and we call that audience profiling.
Audience profiling refers to the analysis of your target audience. This is important for you to tailor fit the content of your speech and be relatable to your audience. The needed information includes the following: demography, age range, male-female ratio, educational background and affiliations, or degree program taken, nationality, economic status, academic or corporate designations, psychology, values, beliefs, attitudes, preferences, cultural and racial ideologies, and needs.
Analyzing your audience will help you discover the information that you can use to build a connection between you and members of your audience. Let's take a look at the sample of table audience profiling.
Let's try to fill in the table. Let us say you would run as the next SSG president in this school. Age range 13 to 18 years old. Male female ratio 2 female is to 1 male. Educational background junior high school and senior high school. Educational institution Daniel Maramba National High School. Place of residence Santa Barbara. Civil status single. Economic status upper middle and lower middle. Language spoken Pangasinan, Filipino, English. Religious affiliations and beliefs Catholic, born again Christian, Iglesia ni Cristo, Jehovah Witnesses.
Based from our sample, you will notice that the civil status of your audience is single. Therefore, it is unrelatable when you give situations about married life. In addition, you should note that the age range of your audience is 13 to 18. That is why you should highlight the interests of the Generation Z. Let me check if you remember our today's lesson. Again, why do you need to do audience profiling before writing a speech? That's right! Audience profiling is important for you to tailor fit the content of your speech and be relatable to your audience. I hope that learning the importance of audience profiling and how to do it will help you ease the process of writing your speech script. Once again, I am Teacher EmmAnne of Daniel Maramba National High School. Always remember to carry on, have fun, be kind, and amazing things will happen. Happy to serve!